Today, I'm going to teach you how to add family members on Amazon Music. This is a great way to share your music subscription with your household, allowing everyone to enjoy unlimited streaming without needing separate accounts. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to music.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your Amazon account. This will bring you to the main Amazon Music homepage where you can access all your music and settings. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select your Amazon Music settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for managing your account, including the ability to add family members. Here's something important to note. In order to add family members on Amazon Music, you must first upgrade your account to a family plan. If your account is not yet upgraded to this plan, you'll need to do so before proceeding. The family plan allows multiple people in your household to enjoy Amazon Music, each with their own personalized experience and playlists. Since my account is not yet upgraded, I'll show you what the next steps would look like once you have the family plan activated. Once you've upgraded to the family plan, you'll see an option that says Manage Family Plan. Click on this option. This will take you to a page where you can view all current family members and manage who has access to your subscription. On this page, look for the Invite or Remove Members section. Here you'll find the tools to add new family members to your plan. Click on Invite or Send Invitation to begin the process of adding someone new. A field will appear prompting you to enter information. Type in the family member's email address. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is how Amazon will send them an invitation to join your family plan. The email address should be associated with their Amazon account, or they'll be prompted to create one. After you've entered the email address, click Send Invitation. Amazon will now send an email to that person with instructions on how to accept the invitation and join your family plan. Once they accept, they'll have full access to Amazon Music under your subscription. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add family members to your Amazon Music family plan. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.